Ready to elevate your character designs? Look no further. Here are 5 essential tips that will transform your creations instantly. As you watch this illustration speed paint of our Star Guardian Aurora, I'll walk you through these steps with practical examples. So, tip number 1, understand your character's role in the game, or whatever medium you desire. Are they a hero, a villain, or a sidekick? These can then be further broken down into archetypes. There are so many character archetypes. However, one of our favorite resources for determining the archetype is by using the periodic table of storytelling. This table consists of all the building blocks you need to build a successful story, as you can see with the examples below, which also includes your character archetypes. Just remember, every role requires a different design approach. Make sure their appearance reflects their purpose and personality. For instance, a hero might have bold, distinct features and have a confident stance, while a villain could have a more sinister look with sharp and angular lines. Tip number 2, focus on the silhouette. A strong, recognizable silhouette makes your character easily identifiable. Think about the shapes that define your character and make sure they stand out, even in the shadows. A great way to test your silhouette is to take your character design, duplicate it, and block it out in black. A good silhouette should be very clear and readable. This helps in making your character memorable and easily recognizable to players or your audience. Tip number 3, use colors wisely. Colors can convey a lot about a character's personality and role. Use a limited color palette that enhances the character's traits and ensures they stand out in their game environment. We often like to go with the 60-30-10 rule, which means 60% should be the dominant color of your character, 30% should be the secondary color, and 10% should be the accent color, which is for the little details. Of course, it's not very easy to break down your character into percentages, but you can roughly estimate by determining what your character's main elements are, the secondary elements, and the accents/details. Take Princess Peach for example. You can clearly see that pink dominates most of her color palette, then yellow is the secondary color, and blue is the accent color. In this design, you wouldn't really consider white, as it's a neutral color, just like the skin tone. As when it comes to choosing the colors, remember that warm colors can evoke energy and aggression, while cool colors might suggest calmness and mystery. This rule is not fixed as it really depends on the context, but if you want more details on how to pick your color, check out our series Characterize, where we go into way more depth with this. Tip number 4, add unique features. Incorporate distinctive elements that make your character special. This could be an unusual accessory, a unique hairstyle, or a particular expression. These unique traits help in building a stronger connection with your audience and make your character more interesting. Yet again, the rule of 3 is a great place to start with this. A good test for this is to go around asking people what are the 3 first things they notice about your character. This can help you determine what you should remove or simplify with your design. If you are still unsure, give yourself a few hours after looking at your design and then try to draw it from memory. Things you include in your drawing are the most important elements of your character. If you feel that more than 3 elements from your design are necessary, you can still include them if you truly feel they add on to your character, but the most we would say is 5. As beyond this point, you start to enter Rex's territory, which we can say his design is better now, but still is very forgettable. Of course, there is something for everybody, but adding more elements to your design would just mean that it will not be as memorable as you would want. And finally, tip number 5, reflect the story and setting. Your character should fit seamlessly into your world. Consider the environment, the era, the cultural influences while designing your character. This ensures coherence and enhances the immersive experience for your players and your audience. And there you have it. These 5 tips will help you create compelling characters that stand out and resonate with your audience. If you would like an outline for how to make a character, step by step, be sure to download our free character cheat sheet, which includes a free template to help you design your character, listed down below in the description. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like us to do next. Thank you for watching.